Hey there, this is Mo Jasso. Thanks for taking the time to check out this quick short video. Hey, I got something for you if you've been struggling to make money online. I got a proven system that I'm currently using that's getting me great results, and I'm going to share with you how you can get plugged in very easily and get going. So if you're someone that's been struggling to make money online, if you're tired of all the hype that's being pushed your way, and you're desperate to find something that actually works, listen very carefully. I know exactly how you feel. There's push button software traffic apps that promise to deliver and do nothing, hypey sales letters, so-called instant results, products that don't even work. Where and when does it all end? When do you get your breakthrough? Today might just be your day. I got something for you that will finally put an end to your struggle, confusion, frustration, overwhelm, stress, anxiety, and failure. And more importantly, will get you the results that you want. This is actually helping newbies, complete beginners, get their first results. So if you're tired of all the hype, the scams, the products that don't work, and you are ready for something that actually works, this could be exactly what you've been looking for. It's a perfect win-win. You simply cannot lose. Get instant free access to the short video training that reveals everything. This is how I am making money online. And this will work for you if you are an action taker, and if you can follow simple step-by-step instructions. So if you're ready for something that actually works, then hurry. The short video training is 100% free to watch. There is no risk. Go check it out now by clicking the button below.